How to cancel your HP Instant Ink account. Note, there are a few things to know about canceling your Instant Ink plan. After canceling, you can keep printing with Instant Ink supplies until the end of your current billing cycle. At the end of the billing cycle, you must replace Instant Ink supplies to keep printing. Instant Ink cartridges only work in the enrolled printer in which they are first used. Your final monthly charge comes at the end of the billing cycle. The paper add-on service ends with your Instant Ink service. HP Instant Ink support has solutions for service and technical issues and can explain other plan options that might better fit your needs. Please go to HP Instant Ink support for assistance before you cancel. On your computer or mobile device, open a browser and go to hpinstantink.com/sign-in. Enter your credentials to sign in to your account. A printer drop-down menu is available when there are multiple printers enrolled. Select the drop-down menu and then select the printer you want to cancel. In the status area, check the monthly summary and click Printer Details to confirm that you have selected the correct printer. On the right side of the screen, in the Plan Details area, select Change Plan. On the Update Plan screen, scroll down to the Plan Details area and then select Cancel my HP Instant Ink subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to cancel the subscription. You will receive an email confirmation of the cancellation. The cancellation finalizes at the end of the current billing cycle when the final charge processes successfully. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.